Hey everyone, remember these fun little flip out pockets that we made? I'll link that video below. These were really fun to make. Anyway, these are Halloween themed, and I just thought it would be really fun to kind of come back through and just add a few extra fun details. So I have just my Halloween stickers. These are just fun to work with, and I have my favorite Tim Holtz stamps from Stampers Anonymous. And I'm just gonna kind of go through and add a few little finishing touches. So let's just go for it. I just feel like these are so handy because it's always nice to just be able to add on that one little detail. And sometimes you have enough like images, but what you need is just that little detail. So let's put that on with him. I love it. And I might just do a little number too. Like just a little guy across here. Just because that could be fun. Yeah, I like it. Sometimes I just like that layered look where you have more than one. Let's see, I'm gonna look. This is kind of cool to give you a bold, kind of a bold look. So let's try it. This is a condemned sticker. And I mean, you really can't go wrong, right? All right, so I think I just want to put it up the side of this. Which side? Which side? I think this side. So that's fairly flat. And if it's not perfect, that's okay because it's meant to be kind of spooky looking anyway. There we go. Cool. Love it. We have this little tag here. I think it would be fun to just put like a number on there. Oh, this would be fun to put in that little side margin. Right here. Just a little something. Cute. And that just goes back in its little pocket. Now let's see the other side. We have another little tag. This one I was able to do a little more on just because I just did. Let's see. I think I'll do another number on here. Oh, you know what would be fun? Let's do one of these Halloween circles. I like them. And they don't take up a ton of room, so it just gives a little detail, but leaves plenty of room for journaling still. Ooh, I like it. Okay. Easy peasy. I'm having a hard time getting my, there it is. There we go. All right, so there we go. We're just adding a few little touches here and there. This guy. So do we want a journal on it or do we want a dramatic? Oh, look at the pumpkin. It's perfect. You could still do a little journaling, right? Around it. Ah, that's so pretty. It's a good effect. There we go. All right, we have here, let's see that very, I don't know if you can see it, it's subtle, but it's a masked ball lady, and this is the mask ball ticket. It's kind of cool. Let's do a number on her right here. Cool. And I think I want like a little sticker here. Should we cancel the performance? That could be, it's kind of too big for what I'm looking at. I don't know which one is the right size for what my, oh, this one is. go. I'm looking at like the scale of things. If you're wondering why I'm picking what I'm picking, it's really just about scale. This is cool. I want this admission one on the next page. Right here. Admission. Because it's a ball, right? Let's see. I like that. I like that. We got a hat on that one already. That's cool. Okay. Let's keep working through. And on these pages, I can come back through and add like a little collage in the corner. But this signature has a lot of journaling space, which I love. So, all right. Oh, I love how that sticks like that. That's cool. So that one has something fun. I kind of love this one how it is. I think I want to leave this one how it is. I love that sticker. All right, let's see if we want to add any to our last one. Oh, I've been dying to use my bats. It's the perfect chance. Look, I've already used this whole page up. And the last one is my bats, and this is the perfect spot for them. And these are washi, so I love it. So they're somewhat see-through. So you can still see that red number coming through, which is really cool. Oh, got an air bubble. There we go. That turned out cool. All right, I want another little number or something here. Let's see. You can kind of, oh, that's cool. I love this 5. I've also been looking for a good place for that. But just come right up here. It's just this dramatic pow because the black just jumps out at you. Lovely. I want to use this spooky thing. Let's find a spot for him. Spooky. We have our cool bat there. It's going to be on here. There we go. We have some numbers that we stamped on. Yes, I love that. And that just is yelling out for like a little seal. Yes, this is perfect. To tie this into the red letters, so it kind of brings it together. And that's something to watch for. Oh, am I in? There we go. All right, let's see. Oh, I don't know. I think that's good, but I just wanted to add those final details and kind of explain a little bit about maybe why I put it where I did. This is going to be cool. And just explain like balance, and when you see a blank space, how to put something in that's going to fit the scale of what you're going for. That's cool. Did I get this? Oh, this needs something, especially because I tore something off and made a mark. That means we need something like this. Excuse me. You know what? We've got skeletons on this. Let's put our skeleton guy there. I'm going to put him right up in the corner. And then I want something that's going to come down here. Let's do canceled. And we'll finish covering up that little tear. There we go. Very cool. I love that. All right. That one's beautiful. Let's see. I'm just going through one more time to see if there's anything else I want to add. Yeah, you know what? I think it would be cool to just have another tiny number right here. Yeah, that's cool. And we've got a lot on that. Just refreshing. Is there anywhere we want to add some stamping? What about this? Oh, this guy wants some stamping. Oh, I just love all the layers. Let's see, this is our ball. How about this cool one? Agent 1929, which is cool. All right, let's put that down here. Maybe it's for the ticket agent, huh? Giving out tickets to the ball. Very cool. Oh, I should have done that in red. That would have been cool. Oh well, it looks awesome. Let's see if there's anything else I can do in red. Oh, a filed. That would be cool. And really, it's just kind of fun to go back through when you're done and see if there's anything extra you want to add. I think I want it kind of ski-wampus right there. I love it. It's always nice to add that red with that black. In fact, I guess I can tell you guys, but I'm working on, for the subscription kit, like a vintage red and black. And it is so cool. It is coming together. You know what? I'm gonna show you the little labels that are going with it. Isn't that cool? It's gonna be a fun kit. So anyway, I'm really excited. There, I gave you a preview. Shh, don't tell anyone. Anyway, so that's fun. That's fun to go through, add those last little details. I am loving having stickers to work with, and it's just a good reminder to use the supplies up that you have. So anyway, awesome, awesome. And there it is. So I think I'm done decorating those, and I'll just keep plugging away at this. So anyway, have a wonderful day, and thank you for being here, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.